Hello, my dear beautiful friends, beautiful masters, and beautiful gods. It's all about beauty, isn't it, my dear friends? And we're all learning this beauty from Patriji, from all the great gurus that we have learned from. To be beautiful inside and outside, speak beautiful words, think beautiful thoughts, and have beautiful intentions. That is what we have all been learning, isn't it, my dear friends? So, in today's episode of Spiritual Glossary, no, we are not learning about beauty. We are talking about the exact opposite of that. What is it called? It is called ugliness. We are going to understand about ugliness so that we are aware of it, we are conscious of it, and we know what we are doing, what we are saying, what we are thinking to check that they are not ugly. So, why don't we start with what ugliness is all about? Okay, my dear friends, let's start. So, ugliness is defined as acts or forms which are generally based on selfish motives, crimes, separativeness, hate, greed, fear, distortions, lies, jealousy, waste, gossip, inertia, which is also called as laziness, lack of alignment or integrity, sickness, ingratitude, totalitarian attitudes. People living in such environments will have a very hard time keeping their integrity and sanity. Ugliness is poverty and rejection, my dear friends. Beauty is abundance and attraction. Beauty increases your joy and vitality. Ugliness increases your negativity and the chance of your self defeat. Your thoughts are ugly when they are selfish, harmful, criminal, separative, false, etc. Your emotions are ugly when they're negative, when they lack solemnity. Your actions and expressions are ugly when they're destructive, insulting, belittling, and motivated by self interest. Ugliness becomes a thought form in your aura and shapes you in its image. Focusing on ugly things is like inviting poison into your system. It penetrates into every cell and affects the entire body. Ugliness can be seen by people who are ugly. I'll repeat that sentence again, my dear friends. Ugliness can be seen by people who are ugly. They identify with the ugliness and seek to increase it in the world. And misuse always breeds ugliness. So, this is what is ugliness all about, my dear friends. And one other thing which I have learned from Torkam's books is that when we think that we are doing a favor to somebody, that's the most ugly thing that we can ever think about ourselves. If I think that I'm doing a favor by sharing this knowledge with you, then I am the most ugly person. Nobody is doing any favor to anyone. Everyone is just doing their duty, their responsibility, fulfilling their responsibilities, my dear friends. And that is their purpose of life. So let us not think or believe that we are doing any favor to anyone by doing something or by saying something or by thinking something. We are all doing our responsibilities, isn't it, my dear friends? So that is what ugliness is all about. And this particular term has been taken from the books called as Talks on Agni, Joy and Healing, Flame of Beauty, Culture, Love and Joy, and The Spring of Prosperity, written by Torquem Senaderen. So, thank you so much, my dear friends. Let us focus on beauty rather than ugliness, but it is always good to know what are the ugliness qualities, isn't it, my dear friends? So that we don't fall into the trap of that. So, this is what is ugliness all about. Let us stay away from all that and don't focus on that. Let us focus on beauty. The more we become beautiful, ugliness will fall away naturally. Just like Patriji says that when we do meditation, all wasteful habits die a natural death. So ugliness will die a natural death as we meditate more, as we increase the beauty in ourselves more and more. So thank you so much, my dear friends. This is wonderful to meet you every time to share the knowledge with you which has been given by Torquem Saradarian. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Namaste and keep meditating. Keep watching PMC English. Namaste.